What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this CukTech power bank. This one is P23 from CukTech. I have been using another CukTech power bank for the past couple of months. I'm super satisfied with that one, that's why I have got this one. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will go through the review process. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel, support honest content. Okay, this is the power bank from CukTech. This is P series 25,000 mAh power bank and this one offers maximum 210 watt output. Wow, one single port can go up to 140 watt. That means this one is totally compatible with the new MacBook Pro 16-inch series. Well, before we talk about anything else, let's do the unboxing. Okay, inside the box you will get this CukTech Power Bank P23, a very good quality USB-C to USB-C cable, a user manual and a thank you card. I really like this user manual because they have written everything clearly, there are illustrations and they have even added some tables which shows all the functions. Okay. The first thing first, this CukTech power bank comes with a very nice display panel. This one weighs only 632 grams and this one has a height of 159.9 millimeter. This one is packed with lithium-ion polymer battery and yeah, as I mentioned earlier, this one comes with 25,000 mAh battery. Okay, I know a lot of people will get worried that is it airline safe? Can we take it into an aircraft? Okay, yeah, this one is airline safe because this one is a 90 watt-hour power bank. They have almost got all the certifications, FCC, CE, and I think, yeah, CukTech actually used premium materials to build this one. The design language is so very unique. They have even added a LED strip. This LED strip is not only a part of the design, this one actually shows whether this power bank is charging itself or discharging, providing charge to another device. When this one is getting charged itself, the LED strip will flow from bottom to top, and when this one is charging other devices, when the power bank is getting discharged, the LED strip will flow from the top to bottom. They have also printed 25,000 mAh, 210 watt max, and yeah, I truly like this three-tone design because there is this blue LED strip which actually matches to all the things that is printed on this power bank. They also have this blue circle on top and bottom which gives it a nice posh outlook. The frame of this power bank is silver colored one. Yeah, this is grey, but on both the sides they have used black color. That matches to this semi-transparent matte finish in front, and they also have a black colored button in between the LED strip and the LCD panel. On the LCD panel, we can check a lot of details like how many hours we can use this one, what's the percentage of battery left, total input wattage, total output wattage, and we can also check the single port. All the ports have their independent data available on this display panel. I really like this design. This one offers a lot of information at a glance, yet very subtle. This one doesn't feel like, okay, there is something too loud. One more time in hand, this one feels like a premium quality flagship class power bank because this one indeed is a flagship class power bank. Well, in Hans Tech Talk, we just don't read the specifications, we just don't say it's good. We go through a thorough review process. I have tried to recharge my MacBook Pro M1 Pro 16-inch with this power bank because CukTech claims that this one is a 90 watt-hour power bank and my MacBook Pro actually comes with a 100 watt-hour battery pack. So I was thinking whether this one can actually offer fast and stable power to my MacBook Pro and whether this one can fully recharge my MacBook Pro or not. Well, here you can see my MacBook Pro battery is fully drained, and at the same time let me show you that CukTech P series power bank P23 is fully charged. This one has 100% battery. Now what I am going to do is recharge my MacBook Pro with this CukTech power bank. Okay, when CukTech P series P23 is recharging my MacBook Pro, let me tell you a few things. CukTech Power Bank P23 comes with a display panel and there is a button. Well, what is the function of this button? Actually, we can single press on this button to wake the display panel. Then another single press will go through different display modes and another single press on the button will put the display panel into sleep mode. When the display panel is on, we can double press the display panel to enable the low current charging mode. In low current charging mode, we can recharge devices like Bluetooth headphones, smart bracelets, smart watches. It's good for devices which actually doesn't allow or accept high charging speed. But if you really want to get the high charging speed, double press again on the button and we are back to the maximum output mode. CukTech P23 power bank comes with 3 ports. There is a USB-A port and 2 USB-C ports. One of the USB-C ports has blue accent and that one is the USB-C port 1, which offers 140 watt maximum output. The Type-C 1 port is able to provide up to 140 watt charging output because this one is compatible with PD 3.1 protocol. Not only PD 3.1, this one actually supports many different charging protocols. So even if you have different type of gadgets or devices, you are fully covered. The Type-C 2 offers 60 watt maximum output and USB-A port can provide up to 30 watt output. Altogether, you may have an impression like, okay, 140 plus 60 plus 30, so this one should offer 230 watt total output, but it's not gonna happen. This one is gonna offer up to 210 watt output altogether. Now let's talk about heat. Almost all the power banks generates heat, but this one doesn't generate a lot of heat and is able to provide a very stable, almost like a flat line. Yeah, CukTech P23 power bank can deliver very high charging speed with 99.99% stability because this one comes with an integrated heatsink. The heatsink actually guarantees efficient heat conduction. There are 5 NTC temperature monitoring chips to monitor temperature fluctuations in real time. Like we can recharge the power bank and at the same time we can recharge other devices using this power bank. That's really a great option to have. Not only that, this one comes with 9 layers of security protection. The shell is made of V0 certified flame retardant materials and CukTech has used high quality circuit chips so the discharge voltage is more stable. There are over temperature protection, short circuit protection, reset protection, input over current protection, output over voltage protection, input over voltage protection, hardware level battery over current and short circuit protection, output over current protection, and overcharge over discharge protection. What else can we expect from a power bank? I actually like this brand because they always care about safety. And this CukTech P23 is really a flagship when it comes to safety, stability, and charging speed. I actually use a lot of very expensive devices. You can see that my MacBook Pro M1 Pro is getting charged. I use a spec'd out iPhone 14 Pro Max along with a spec'd out iPad Pro M2 11-inch. So yeah, these gadgets, these devices are really very expensive and I definitely require very good safety. And when a power bank offers safety, I feel like the power bank is actually offering peace of mind. Talking about peace of mind and safety, this CukTech P23 power bank comes with 18 months long-term warranty. When many other brands are not even offering 12 months of warranty, CukTech is offering 540 days of warranty. And this is not a repairing warranty. This is a replacement warranty for any non-human quality problems. I mean, if you haven't damaged it, if CukTech P23 power bank suddenly stops working, definitely you are gonna get a replacement. Well, let's check what happened to my MacBook Pro M1 Pro because CukTech has actually gone down to 0. You can see clearly when it's gone down to 0, my MacBook Pro M1 Pro is charged more than 86%. So that means this CukTech P23 can recharge a MacBook Pro M1 Pro 16-inch laptop up to 86%. I mean from 0 to 86%. And yeah, through the time, this one has provided a very stable power output. CukTech P23 can recharge an iPhone 14 Pro Max to 55% within 30 minutes and this P23 power bank can recharge a Xiaomi 13 Pro to 100% within 19 minutes with 120 watt quick charging. Yeah, you have heard it right. This one supports quick charging protocol. In this studio, we have a MacBook Air 2022 and CukTech P23 can recharge that one 1.2 times. And CukTech P23 has managed to recharge an iPhone 14 4 times without any issue. That's really more than enough. This one can also recharge an iPad more than 2 times. Actually, it should be 2.2 times. This one can recharge a Steam Deck 1.5 times, a Switch OLED edition 3.3 times, and yeah, all this is possible because this one has a very big, I should say humongous 25,000 mAh battery. Actually, there are 5 21700 battery cells of the same series as what Tesla uses, which can provide better quality and safety. Compared with other traditional battery cells and compared with the other power banks available on the market, this CukTech P23 offers better life cycle. This brand claims that even after 500 cycles of usage, this one will have no less than 80% of capacity. That's a very nice thing because most of the other brands claims like 70% or 75% at most. So yeah, that means once we get a CukTech P23, we are safe for a few years. Okay, finally, before we wrap up, there is another thing I need to talk about. Yeah, this one offers a very fast, a very high charging speed to other devices. But how long does it take to get recharged? The brand claims that with a proper charger, this one will get 40% charged within 19 minutes because this one supports 110 watt charging speed. I mean the power bank itself. Actually, that's an understatement because I have tried a 100 watt charger and the power bank got 42% charged within 19 minutes. That's 2% more than what the brand claims, and I have not even used the 110 watt charger. I have used the 100 watt charger and the power bank was actually getting charged at around 95 watt. There is another thing. I know a lot of people would come and say, look at this one is not getting charged at 100 watt or 110 watt. Come on, you have to have a proper charger, a compatible charger. There are a lot of 100 watt or 140 watt chargers available on the market, which actually isn't capable of delivering 100 watt of charging speed. I have also tried this CukTech P23 power bank with a 60 watt charger, and this one has worked perfectly fine. So if you have a compatible charger, this one will get charged very fast. Now it's time to wrap up, but before that, yeah, I have left a link in the description box below, and I need to mention this one comes with 7 days hassle-free return, 15 days free replacement, and one more time, yeah, there is a 18 months warranty. I really don't want to prolong this video because CukTech P series power banks actually performs, and this P23, this one performs like a monster. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.